Welcome to my channel MHM Background. Here you can learn how to quickly create different backgrounds footage in the After Effects program. You can freely use footage color during educational videos. Important to know creating some footage as requires some Python plugins sign the speed of the processing to make this much easy. You will learn how to make beautiful and simple background with a couple of minutes, just following my steps on videos. I will show all the button preset. Feel free to ask questions or give suggestions in the comment section. Business cooperation, welcome to my email address. You can even monetize your videos. In exchange, I just simply ask for likes and comments.